Convergence and divergence. When talking about indicators, we have these terms, convergence and divergence. A convergence is when the RSI already agree with the price direction. Example, the RSI is going down and the price is also going down. Ito yung common movement for an indicator to go along or align its movement with the price for confirmation of the move. Pero, we will focus more on its opposite, which is a divergence. When we say divergence, it is when the RSI does not agree with the price direction. Magkasalungat yung direksyon. Example, the RSI is going down, but the price is going up. This is one of my favorite concepts in terms of RSI. Since the RSI is a leading indicator, it helps you identify possible reversals before they happen. After a strong rally, you can look for bearish divergences to stay ahead of price action before mahulog yung isang stock. A bearish divergence is when prices makes a higher high but the indicator creates a lower high. On the other hand, after a strong sell down, you can look for bullish divergences to stay ahead of the price action bago tuluyang umangat yung stock. Bullish divergences is when prices makes a lower low but the indicator creates a higher low.